Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from Australia, let's all welcome Cha Abby.
Hello. What's up, mga people? Diba ganon? Makuha kaya lang ditong microphone.
Si Cha, bakit ka nagpo-blondie tonight?
Wala lang, nilalamig kasi ako.
Wow.
At saka walang date, pagka ganito siya.
Ay, dapat nag-i-English yan? Ano ba yan?
Yeah, because, you know, we have friends from New York, Doctora.
Yes. Hi, madam.
Sela, Doctora Sela.
Yeah, I already heard earlier when I'm on the backstage.
Wow!
I heard that, ma'am, what is her name?
Doctora Sela.
Dr. Sela.
Sela.
Alright.
Did I pronounce it right, Doc? Sela.
Yes, Sela from New York.
From New York.
Yeah, I've been there. I've been to New York for how many times?
Wow!
Especially in the area of Louisiana.
Ay, bilis na ano doon? Wala, dinuloko mo sila.
Street lang pala yun.
And also, we have friends from Australia.
Nasaan yung ating
Ayan, our amigas over there.
Hello? Ang gusto ko,
Yeah.
ito pala yung mga mayayaman sa Australia.
Gusto mo ba silang kumustahin?
O parang kalahati ng Australia pag mamayari nitong mga ito.
Oh yeah, they're from Melbourne actually.
Melbourne.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, ikaw ba